What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dollar DP once again back in the building. You already see the bag, so you already know. Boy went in again. Merry Christmas as well to everybody. Today is December 25th, December 23rd, midnight release. 2 shoes came out that day. The cool grays. I didn't feel like shooting, stabbing, or killing nobody for them joints. Also, the cough drops came out that day. Shout out to my man Foot Locker for hooking me up. I went the route of the cough drops. It is actually a re-release. It came out back in June of this year. It's a limited release of House of Hoops. It was a 300 pair, allegedly, when they first dropped. But that's neither here or there right now. Without further ado, let's get into the shoe, shall we? Get that out the way. Here we go. This is awesome right here. I like this joint. Here we have Foamposite throughout the whole paneling of the shoe. The carbon fiber is actually harder than the Foamposite itself. Red translucent shoe throughout. Toe box, also red translucent with a suede right here, and it goes all up onto the shoe until you get to right here. Then it turns into like a net overlay, if you will. Sock liner, it's netting as well, mesh, there you go. Tongue, mesh as well. Red accents, penny logo and net in the back as well. And you also have the back of the shoe with the red translucent bottom going throughout. Now these are my first Foamposites. I definitely am feeling the shoe. I would recommend it to anybody. You definitely go hard with shorts. I see how people rock them with jeans. I'm not really into that. These are going on nice for my summer collection. I like to call Summer Massacre. Also, the Royals are coming back for 2011. I'll definitely be looking into those as well. A couple of pickups. But view, subscribe, comment. I definitely would like your inquiries. If you have any questions, I could definitely hit you up on that. Retail on these is $200. I had these for a minute. Well, I actually got them on the 23rd, and I just figured while I was watching the game, I was like, damn, I ain't even drop a video on them. But here's the video. One more look at the shoe. Happy holidays to all. Might do one more video to show most of my 2010 pickups. Not all of them, but most of my 2010 pickups, new and old. And thank you for watching the video. Enjoy.